nakita na namin yung Rainforest Cafe. And finally guys, I reached the office. So now I'm gonna work for 8 hours and then later we're going to Dubai Mall for our company dinner. Hey guys, how are you? Good morning. Are you guys hungry?
8 hours later.
Guys, now I'm walking, going to the parking to meet Miss Anissa. So she will bring us there in Dubai Mall. Saan kami magdi-dinner na kami. By the way guys, this is the building where I am working. This is the building. Saan ako nag-work. Okay guys, we're going to Rainforest, which is, this is the restaurant, a unique restaurant where you can find in Dubai Mall. I'm sorry guys, in Dubai Mall. It's just near in the biggest aquarium in Dubai Mall. So just check this restaurant and you will be amazed. Okay, and then I'll show you what are their foods and everything.
Are you leaving? Yay, already leave. I'm in park there.
I think he's leaving. Yay!
Yeah, there is a gate and we are here, so we will just park and park.
Finally guys, we reached Dubai Mall. Guys, check this out. This is really amazing. This is one of the biggest aquarium here in UAE. You can find this aquarium inside the Dubai Mall. And you can see different type of fish. You can also experience to swim with them. You know, swimming with the big sharks are really scary, but you know, experience is really awesome. There's someone is swimming inside. So scary. Imagine guys kung kayo nandyan, tapos may mga shark. There's a shark.
Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark do 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 do.
Ayan guys, nakita na namin yung Rainforest Cafe Restaurant. So bali papasok na kami ng mga ka-office mate ko kasama yung manager ko. So I will show you. Papakita ko sa inyo yung entrance. Sobrang ganda. Ito siya guys. Amazing. Okay, pasok na tayo. Pasok ko. It's so cute. What is this? Guys, there's a lot of toys. Snakes. Okay, it's like a jungle. It's moving. Where is it? Guys, I got scared. So this dinner is for you and for your baby. But I can see it because you're wearing black, so yeah.
You should have told me to wear yellow.
Yes, perfect. Guys, ang ganda ng lugar. Guys, this restaurant, it's just in the back of this big aquarium in Dubai Mall. So as you can see, there's a shark swimming over there. Where is that? Where? It's just there. Okay. So visit this place. It's really awesome. Like it feels like you're inside the jungle. Then there's so many animals. Like there's a snake. There's a snake, and then there's a monkey. Monkey? Natawa ko dun, guys. Yeah, guys, bali, ito yung kanilang menu. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. Ito, sobrang laki. You'll have this big menu. Okay, guys, so this is their menu. Inside of their menu, so they said enjoy our wild and exotic mocktail mixed drinks, smoothies and freezies, beef and chicken. Alright guys, I ordered this awesome appetizer adventure. It has chimichacha, spinach and artichoke dip with tricolor. I don't want to read this, just read it guys. And for my drinks, I ordered this KineMaster. KineMaster strawberries and bananas blended with non-fat frozen yogurt. It's just like 35 dirhams for just this one smoothie. Really? So guys, ito na po yung in-order ko. Yung awesome appetizer, I think. So let's get one cheese stick. And let's try this thing. Oh my god, it's really amazing. I wanna order this Amazon, how do you call this? Fajitas? Or how do you pronounce it? It's not focusing guys. Amazon fajitas or fajitas? I think this one is nice. It's dark.
Chicken tenders.
Kanina yan.
Chicken.
That's okay. We ordered so much.
I don't want to on my.
Go girl, bite it. Swallow it. Just one more bite, my dear. One more bite.
What are you even doing?
Go bite this. What is that? Pizza sandwich or something? Yay! Welcome to motherhood. Yeah. Yay! Yeah, that is a very big nice. No. You're so mean.
And you order this baby with you. I will keep this baby.
Chop the head.
I think we got okay, can we cut the cake?
Can we cut the head of that?
And start eating the cake? Yeah, like
This is the jungle. Inside the mall. Dubai Mall. Look who's here! Hey! Say hi to my vlog. Hi! This is Walid. Okay, they're trying to fix the head of the baby.
his leg is coming out, Jamil.
Oh, everything is coming out. Okay. Preacher, wrong. Bad idea to take this.
The way. Oh my god.
We're trying to. Let's put it in a box. I don't know how you're gonna fix it later.
Okay guys, now we're almost done. Yeah, sobrang nabusog ako. Appetizer pa lang, busog na busog na ako. Their food is really amazing. It tastes so delicious, you know. So yun ang comment mo ganun. Okay, by the way, this is Anna.
Hello, guys.
Okay guys, now we're done. Uwi na kami. Sasabay kami kay Nopal. Nopal is a company driver which is, you know, he's really good. Where's the exit?
This is the exit.
Okay guys, you know, this is so scary. Ayan, pauwi na kami. And they give this is actually a breakfast voucher. Hey! Subscribe to her channel, Jules of Life. Hi, Lydia. How are you?
I'm so full.
Yeah, me too.
I'm gonna throw up.
Bye. Jules of Life.
My fan.
Yeah, I'm number 1 fan.
Ay, naku.
Dali na. Nahiya ko pa, nag-rolling na yan.
Hello guys. First time ko maging vlogger. Extra lang kayo eh. Delete mo yan bakla.
No, I will not. Okay guys, you know,
Oh my God, what is this?
nagmamadali kami kasi yung nagdadala ng driver namin is nagmamadali. So we're like running into the parking, so it's like, you know guys, I'm so full. I'm gonna throw up. Okay guys, now we're done. We're on the way home. I'm riding Nova's car and I'm with Ate Ana. You can see her because it's really dark here. I ate so much, you know. I ordered this awesome appetizer, I don't know what they call it, and then this Key Western smoothie, which is a mix of strawberry and banana. It's really nice, tastes good. And then I also ordered this fajita combo, which is a mix of grilled chicken. Is that the grilled chicken? Sizzling, yeah. They put it in a sizzling plate, but I think, yeah. I don't know what you call this, but it's a fajita combo. It is a combination of chicken and the beef. Yeah guys, it's really amazing. What a nice experience. So now we're going home so tired. And then I'm gonna edit this video when I reach home. And tomorrow I'm gonna upload it. Hindi, nagagano lang. Eh, pimple kasi ako, guys, this pimple is really annoying. You know, you can see my pimple, but inside, like, when you touch my nose, it's really hurt.
Try